Hi, my name is Fan Yang, your Chief Currency Analyst here at ForexMinute.com. You're watching today's Forex video briefing. It is Friday, April 24th, and we're in the morning of the US session. The euro dollar is continuing the bullish correction from last week, pushing above last week's high around 1.0850 and tagging 1.09 during the April 24th Friday European session. As we get ready for the US session, the 4-hour chart shows a tentatively bullish market. Prices above the cluster of 200, 150 period simple moving averages, but these moving averages are not in bullish alignment yet, and for the most part have been sloping sideways. The RSI shows loss of bearish momentum from last week, or from the first half of April, since it broke above 60, but the failure to tag 70 reflects a lack of bullish momentum as well. This is a buyer's market in the very near term, especially if there is a pullback. For example, if there's a pullback towards 1.0750, 1.0730 area, that would be a test of this cluster of moving averages and this rising support, and we could see some buyers there for a short-term rally. On the other hand, as price approaches 1.1040 and to 1.1050, we should be looking at some key resistance, and we should expect sellers again, because after all, the prevailing market is still bearish. The prevailing trend is still bearish and it's intact, and the central banks, the ECB and the Fed, are still on opposite side of the policy stand spectrum. The ECB, being dovish as it implements QE, and FOMC, the Fed, being somewhat hawkish as it plans for the rate hike, even though that has been pushed back this year. And that wraps up today's Forex video briefing. Thanks again for watching. Have a great weekend.